Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you are fit and fine. Student, I hope you all have completed your yesterday's homework. Today we are going to start block 12. We have completed block 11. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is text to self connection. We have already done this topic in first chapter, Anne and the Dragon. Again we are going to do something like that and collect your resources with you: content book, notebook and workbook. Keywords for today's class: Indian, language, character, agenda as usual, questioning, discussion, then we'll do activity, after the worksheet part, then homework. Students, now tell me, in previous classes you read the story of Scaredy Sam. Who are the characters in that story? Sam and Sid. Okay, what do you know about Sam and Sid? Yes, they both were brother. Now tell me something about Sid. Sid scared of the dark corridor. He couldn't able to cross the dark corridor. Then how did he was able to cross the dark corridor? He used the scary mask. After wearing the scary mask, he felt himself brave. So students, these things you know about the characters of the story, and this how you can connect the story with the events. So today we are going to do something like that. What is our today's aim? We will collect the details about the characters, means the characters which are given in the story. You will collect the details about them, about their own lives. Yes students, now I am going to show you something. Now look at this. What is this? Right, this is called Dandiya, and this remind me the festival of Navratra. Last year I had a lot of fun with that. Yes, I like this. I like to dance with Dandiya. Students, now look at all these things which are on your screen. Yes, have a look on all these things. Then what will you do? You will write the name of the things in your notebook. What things do you know about it, students? Means which things you are watching on the screen. What do you know about it? What are these things? Can you tell about it? Yes, try to tell your answer to your parent. What do you know about all these things? Students, today we will read a story, We Indian, to learn more about the things we just saw. Means we just have seen some pictures. Today we are going to read the story, We Indian, to learn about all those things. So students, now open your content book, open block 12. Open page number 20 of your content book. I will read the story and you will follow it. And what will you do? You will circle the words as you have seen in the pictures, and you will circle the pictures also which you have seen in the We Indians by Mehru J. Wadia. My name is Minakshi. I come from Tamil Nadu. I speak Tamil. My favorite festival is Pongal. What is your name? Yes, beta, she is Minakshi, and from where she is? Right, she is from Tamil Nadu. And which language she can speak? She speaks Tamil. And what is her favorite festival? It is Pongal. I am Ramu Patel. I come from Gujarat. I speak Gujarati. I like to do Garba. I am 7 years old. How old are you? From where Ramu Patel is, beta? Right, he is from Gujarat. Which language he is using to speak? Gujarati. What does he like to what does he like to do? He likes to do Garba. How many years old he is? He is 7 years old. My name is Gulabo. I come from Rajasthan. I like wearing colorful clothes. I enjoy watching puppet shows. I travel by camel. How do you travel? Yes, Gulabo is from where? Gulabo is from Rajasthan. Which kind of dresses she is wearing? Yes, she like she likes to wear colorful clothes. And which game she enjoy? She enjoys watching puppet shows. And how does she travel? She travels by camel. I come from Bengal. I'm Badal Ghosh. I speak Bengali. I like painting and music. I study at Shanti Niketan. Where do you study? Who has come from Bengal? Badal Ghosh come from Bengal. Which language he uses to speak? He speaks Bengali. Where do he study? He study at Shantiniketan. I am Vitha. I come from Maharashtra. I speak Marathi. Our neighbors in Mumbai are Asmis. They come from Assam. Where do you come from? Yes, what is the name of this lady here? Vitha. From where she is? She comes from Maharashtra. Which language she uses? She uses Marathi. I am Surinder. I come from Punjab. I speak Punjabi. My friend Amarjit Singh likes Bhangra. Which dance do you like? Which kind of dance Amarjit uses? Amarjit likes to use Bhangra dance. What is the name of Amarjit's friend? Yes, his name is Surinder. From where he is? He is from Punjab. I am Neeraj Tripathi. I come from Uttar Pradesh. I speak Hindi. I am learning Urdu from my friend Tariq Bey. What language do you speak? From where Neeraj Tripathi come? Right, Neeraj Tripathi come from Uttar Pradesh. Which language he speak? He speak in Hindi. And which language he is learning from his friend? He is learning Urdu. I am Unni Krishnan Nair. I come from Kerala. I speak Malayalam. I am learning Kathakali. My favorite tree is the coconut tree. Which tree do you like best? Yes, students now try to read this name Unni Krishnan Nair. Unni Krishnan Nair. From where he come? He come from Kerala. Which language he speak? He speak Malayalam. And what is he learning? He is learning Kathakali. What is the name of his favorite tree? Right. Coconut is his favorite tree. My name is Kamla. I come from Karnataka. I speak Kannada. I play the mridangam. Do you play any musical instrument? What does Kamla likes to play? Yes, Kamla likes to play mridangam. This is the name of a musical instrument. From where she come? She come from Karnataka. Bharti is my name. I come from Andhra Pradesh. I speak Telugu. During my summer holidays, I go to Kashmir to visit my friends Salma and Suleiman. Where do you go for your birthday holidays? Where do you go for your holidays? Yes, student, who come from Andhra Pradesh? Bharti. Which language she use? She speaks Telugu. We are two sisters. We belong to Odisha. We speak Odia. We decorate our walls and floor with finger patterns. Do you have a sister or brother? Yes, students. Which state these two sisters belong? Yes, these two sisters belong to Odisha. Which language does they use to speak? Yes, they use to speak Odia. How do they decorate their floor and walls? Yes, by using finger patterns, they are decorating their walls and floors. We come from different places, but we are all Indians first. Means students, We have read about the story. We Indian. Okay, student. What have we learnt here? We have read about the different kind of people who they are living in our country, who they are living in India, but they all belong to from different states, and their languages are different, their dresses are different, and their likes or dislikes are different, and their culture and religion is also different, but still they are saying that we all are Indian, means we all are living only in one country, so we all are brothers and sisters. This analysis time. My first question is, what do the things remind you of? You have seen many things in the story and in the pictures. These things remind you of anything? Yes, you can recall in your mind which things remind you of which things. Yes, the Gulabo, the character remind me of Rajasthan because I went there many a times. Which of the things you find in the class? Which of these things you can find in your classroom and in your surrounding? Now you are not in classroom, so around you विच थिंग यू कैन फाइंड ऑफ, इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ें आपको अपने आसपास दिखती हैं? यू माइट हैव सीन द पंजाबी द भांगड़ा डांस, और माइट हैव यू लिसन द सॉन्ग्स एंड द डांडिया प्लेज. यस, डांडिया डांस, हैव यू एवर सीन? I think so you have seen on televisions, and in Navratras also it is played in the temples and around the temples. Student, what is the same about you and a character in the story? What is different? Why? Students, these things are same about the character in the story and ourselves. Like all characters in the story have a name. We all have a name. We also have a name. Yes. Gulabo likes to see a puppet show, and we also like to see a puppet show. Have you ever seen a puppet show? If you will see now, you will also like it. Badan Ghosh goes to study. We also come to school to study. And what are the differences? His differences in the characters and in our life is what about our language. Yes, our language is different and our culture is different. Sometimes our religion is also different. So these are the differences. Student, now it is time for higher order thinking question. What does the sentence in the end of the story means which sentence? This sentence, but we all are Indian. What is the meaning of this sentence which comes at the end of the story? Think about it, students. Right, means there are many characters in the story, right? And they are from different states. Their languages were different and their culture was also different. Their likes are different, their festivals are different, but they all are living in the country, only one country. Which country? In India. They are living in India. Means besides all these differences, they all are Indian. Student, now it is application time. You will complete S12, which is given on page number 20 in your workbook, and open page number 20, S1, text to self connections. Question number 1. Draw one thing from the story you have seen before. Write its name on the line. What will you do? You will draw one thing from the story you have seen before. Means इससे पहले आपने जो भी कोई चीज स्टोरी में दिखाने से पहले, जो स्टोरी में देखने से पहले अगर देखी है, you will draw that thing here and you will write the name of that thing also. Write one thing that is the same between you and a character in the story. Now question number 3. Gulabo comes from Rajasthan, the land of puppet shows. Circle Rajasthan on the map. Here you will circle Rajasthan in this Indian map. It is written here, you can do it. Student, now it is time for homework. What will you do? Do practice question 1 and 2 on page number 28 in content book. You will do practice question number 1 and 2 which is given in your content book. Now student, it is time for summarization part. What have we learned today? Yes, student, we have collect all the details about the characters from the story and to their own lives मीन्स हमने उनकी जो कैरेक्टर्स थे हमारी स्टोरी में उनके बारे में हमने क्या किया, इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट की, उनकी लाइफ्स के बारे में, उनके रिलीजन, उनके कल्चर, उनके लैंग्वेज और उनके लाइक्स के बारे में हमने इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट की. एट लास्ट इन समराइजेशन पार्ट, yes students, what have we learned today? We have learned that we all are living in India, but in India we have seen today different lifestyles, different cultures and different religions and different languages. People are using different languages, they belong to different places. So this we have learned, but besides all these things, all these differences, we all are Indian as we are living in India. Students, be ready for the next class and resources as usual: content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.